Red blood cells moving down my veins. Heme includes 4 chains. J Reed straight teaching, can't tell me nothing. Science G just changed the game.
You see me?
But I'm rapping over here, you can't get from a book. Respiratory system, yo, let's take a look. MitoDNA and a 50-50 chance. This organelle works while I do my breath dance. Inhale, hold it one time, exhale. Using up your lungs, inhale, exhale. And you're breathing in O2 with Ocrastain. Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason this one moves in the lungs. CO2 moves our capillaries. So today I'm gonna show them all. Let's start with O2. Then we got CO2. They moving on through your lung tissue. Blame it on the alveoli, tiny balloon and sacs found in the bronchioles. Respire, you got me breathing in O2. Exhaling that CO2, got me breathing in O2. Exhaling CO2, got me breathing in O2. Exhaling that CO2, got me breathing in O2. Exhaling CO2.